In our previous videos, we've talked about protecting your privacy on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, X, and TikTok. Now, let's talk about WhatsApp, one of the most used messaging apps in the world, and one where your privacy can easily slip away if you don't tweak a few important settings. Let's walk through how to lock down your WhatsApp privacy step by step. Step 1. Stop sharing your last seen, profile picture, about, links, and status with everyone. By default, anyone can see when you're online what your profile photo is and your status. You don't want strangers, stalkers, or potential scammers tracking your activity patterns or collecting personal clues from your profile. From WhatsApp, go to Settings, Privacy. Under Who Can See My Personal Info, select either My Contacts or Nobody for all the options like Last Seen and Online, Profile Picture, About, Status, and Links. Step 2. Turn off Read Receipts. Disabling Read Receipts protects you from unnecessary pressure to reply and keeps your message reading habits private. It also stops others from knowing whether or not you've seen their messages. Go to Settings, Privacy, Read Receipts. Toggle it off. Step 3. Disable auto-download of media. Uncontrolled auto-download can expose you to malicious files, scams, and viruses. Scammers often send harmful links or files that can infect your phone. Always download media only from people you trust. Go to Settings, Storage, and Data, Media Auto-Download. Set No Media under all options. Step 4. Control Group Invites. You don't want to end up in spammy, scam, or illegal groups that can trick you into clicking harmful links or even put you in legal trouble. There have been cases where people were arrested just because they were part of suspicious groups. Go to Settings, Privacy, Groups. Set it to My Contacts or My Contacts Except to prevent strangers from adding you to random groups. Step 5. Add two-step verification. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security in case someone tries to hijack your account on a different device by stealing your SIM card or OTPs. Go to Settings, Account, Two-step verification. Enable it and set a strong PIN. Step 6. Turn off live location sharing. Live location can be misused to track your movements in real time, making you vulnerable to stalking or physical tracking. Go to Settings, Privacy, Live Location. Ensure it's off unless you are actively sharing it with someone you fully trust. Step 7. Disable linked devices when not in use. If you've logged into WhatsApp Web or another device and forgot to log out, your messages and account may still be accessible without your knowledge. Go to Linked Devices. Remove old or unknown sessions you no longer use. Step 8. Revisit WhatsApp app permissions in Android and iOS. WhatsApp does not need permanent access to your camera, microphone, contacts, or storage. Grant permissions only when absolutely needed to reduce data exposure. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Permissions. Deny all permissions. When WhatsApp asks for permissions, choose Allow only while using the app or Ask every time. For iOS, go to iPhone Settings, WhatsApp. Disable unnecessary permissions like camera, microphone, photos, location. Only allow permissions temporarily when needed. Step 9. Don't share your email address on WhatsApp. You don't need to provide an email address for WhatsApp to work. Sharing your email just gives Meta more information to build your profile and makes you a bigger target for phishing, spam, and cross-platform tracking. Keep your WhatsApp disconnected from your email identity. Avoid putting your email in your profile, status, groups, or messages. Step 10. Disable link previews. Link previews in WhatsApp can leak your IP address when the app fetches external website data. Previews can also make phishing links look more trustworthy because they display fake but convincing preview content from malicious sites. Go to Settings, Privacy, Advanced. Turn on Disable Link Previews. Be cautious of links even if they look legitimate in the preview. Step 11. Don't create avatars. Avatars collect facial patterns, expressions, and behavioral cues that Meta can link to your WhatsApp identity. These avatars can be used to build detailed biometric profiles. Avoid setting up or using avatars on WhatsApp. Step 12. Never allow automatic backups to Google or iCloud. Automatic backups to Google or iCloud will give Meta access to your Google or Apple account identities and can further help them build extremely detailed personal profiles. Go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Turn off automatic backups. Instead, regularly perform manual backups to your personal computer or use WhatsApp's chat transfer feature to move your chat securely to a new phone. Step 13. Use disappearing messages while sharing sensitive documents or images. Disappearing messages and view once media reduce the chances of sensitive files being stored permanently or forwarded to others. It gives you more control over who can see and save your content. Click on the chat and set Message Timer under Disappearing Messages. Alternatively, you can choose View Once option so that photos, voice messages, and videos disappear from a chat after the recipient has opened them once. Step 14. Don't use WhatsApp payments. WhatsApp payments link your financial transactions to your WhatsApp identity, exposing sensitive data like your payment history and account details. It's safer to use your official banking apps that have stronger security protections and better privacy controls. Step 15. Never use Meta AI features. Meta AI features process and analyze your chats and activity to train AI models, which puts your personal conversations at risk of being stored and used beyond your control. Do not opt in to any Meta AI features, suggested prompts, or data sharing agreements when they appear. Step 16. Never link your WhatsApp account with other Meta services like Facebook or Instagram. Linking your WhatsApp account with other Meta platforms allows Meta to combine your data, increasing cross-tracking and building even more detailed personal profiles. Avoid saving your WhatsApp number on Facebook or Instagram, as this can also link your profiles automatically. Watch our privacy guides for Instagram and Facebook to learn how to further protect your privacy on those platforms. WhatsApp doesn't advertise these settings up front. Most people never look. But here's the truth. Your privacy isn't automatic. It's built choice by choice.